Imagine being one of the strongest animals in Africa, powerful enough to face lions, survive harsh seasons, and travel across endless grasslands. Now imagine that your biggest daily problem isn't a predator at all. It's hundreds of tiny parasites feeding on your body every single day. For the Cape buffalo, this is a reality. As the African sun rises over the vast savanna, a buffalo begins another day searching for fresh grass and clean water. From a distance, it looks calm and incredibly strong, but a closer look reveals an unseen struggle. Small ticks cling tightly to its thick skin, especially around the ears, neck, shoulders, and the base of its horns. These parasites feed on blood and can irritate the skin for hours at a time. Left unchecked, they may even spread disease or weaken the animal over time. The buffalo doesn't simply accept this discomfort. Throughout the day, it constantly tries to remove the unwanted visitors. It shakes its massive head, flicks its ears, rubs against rough tree trunks, and rolls in dry dust. These behaviors help remove a few parasites, but many remain firmly attached. Some hide deep inside wrinkles where the buffalo simply cannot reach. This is where one of nature's most fascinating partnerships begins. As temperatures rise, the buffalo slowly walks toward a nearby river. It isn't entering the water only to cool off. The river offers something even more valuable: help. As the buffalo steps deeper into the water, tiny freshwater fish begin gathering around its legs. At first, there are only a few, then dozens appear. Before long, the animal is surrounded by a busy community of underwater cleaners. The fish carefully inspect every surface they can reach. They search between folds of skin, around the legs, and along the lower body, picking away bits of dead skin, mud, and tiny parasites. Each fish takes only a small bite, but together they accomplish an impressive amount of work. Above the surface, another team arrives. Red-billed oxpeckers glide down from nearby trees and land gently on the buffalo's back. These birds have evolved to live alongside large mammals throughout Africa. Instead of fearing the giant beneath them, they see an opportunity. With quick and precise movements, they search through the buffalo's fur for ticks hiding around the ears, neck, shoulders, and horn bases. Every parasite they remove becomes food, giving the birds an easy meal while reducing the buffalo's parasite load. What's remarkable is that neither helper gets in the other's way. The fish focus on areas beneath the water. The birds work above the surface. Together, they cover almost the buffalo's entire body, creating an efficient cleaning system that benefits everyone involved. Scientists call relationships like this mutualism. In mutualism, every participant gains something valuable. The buffalo enjoys fewer parasites and better overall health. The birds receive a dependable food source. The fish gain access to nutrients they might otherwise struggle to find. No one is exploiting the other. Everyone benefits. As the cleaning continues, the buffalo gradually relaxes. The constant head shaking slows. Its ears stop flicking every few seconds. Instead of showing signs of irritation, it stands quietly in the cool water, conserving energy while its tiny partners continue their work. Moments like these remind us that survival isn't always about fighting. In many cases, survival depends on cooperation. Nature is filled with partnerships like this. Cleaner fish remove parasites from larger fish on coral reefs. Certain shrimp clean the mouths of predators that could easily eat them. Even insects, birds, mammals, and plants often depend on one another in unexpected ways. The African buffalo is a perfect example that strength alone isn't always enough. Even one of the continent's toughest animals relies on much smaller creatures to stay healthy. Without these natural helpers, parasites could multiply, causing more stress and increasing the risk of infection. At the same time, the birds and fish would lose an important food source. Their lives are connected in ways that may not be obvious at first glance, but together they help maintain the balance of the ecosystem. Every river, every grassland, and every species has a role to play. The next time you think about wildlife, remember that the greatest stories aren't always about hunters and prey. Sometimes the most incredible moments happen when completely different animals work together, each helping the other survive another day. That is one of the true wonders of the African savanna, a place where even the mightiest giant depends on the smallest allies. If you enjoyed this journey into the hidden partnerships of nature, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more amazing wildlife stories from around the world.